In today's Instagram video, I'm going to show you how to fix reply option missing on Instagram. Now the way that you reply on Instagram is really easy. You simply tap and hold the message and an option of reply should pop up on the bottom left. Or the second thing that you can do is you can swipe the message to the right side and a reply option will pop up. Now if you don't have this reply option, that could simply be a glitch in the system of Instagram, and you will need to do a couple of steps in order to fix it. Firstly, you can try to update the app of Instagram. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure to tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now the second thing that you can do is you can hop back and simply remove Instagram from your phone or uninstall it. You can simply uninstall the app of Instagram, and once it's been uninstalled, you can again download it and try logging in, and once you logged in, you can try to see if that fixes that issue. If it still does not, you can now again open up your Play Store, and from here you can tap on the logo of Instagram right here, and down below you'll have an option of joining the beta version. Beta versions are the latest versions of any kinds of application where they have the latest features of any platform. So you can tap on join right here. Because I've already joined mine, it does not have any option, but if you haven't yet, you can tap on join and join the beta version of Instagram. Now once you do these couple of steps, you should pretty much be able to reply on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and share this video. That's gonna be all. Thanks for watching.